What is going on, everybody? It is the 3rd of August, Wednesday. I think so. Is it Wednesday? Tuesday. Sorry, Tuesday. All right, so today I ended up the day up $163. I woke up late today. I woke up like at 12 something. I don't know why because I was actually already up in the morning, but then I fell asleep. You know what I'm saying? So then I started the day pretty late, and I wasn't even gonna trade late today because I was gonna go out. But besides that, I still ended up the day green. Um, so let's talk about it. The first couple trades I took was, let's see, I sold a Tesla call that I had yesterday. Tesla lost all of his gains from yesterday, I guess. Well, maybe not all of it. It's still held above 700, but you know what I'm saying. Like since the contract that I had was like sold out the money, it lost almost all of its value, and it fell down all the way to like 7 cents, something like that. I saw for like a $2 L, but that play was really good. As you guys can see from yesterday, those contracts went like 7 times, like 700 percenters. And then I traded some Amazon. I was scalping this Amazon move right here. I was only scalping it because I was already late to the party, so then I was like scared that it was just gonna drop on me right away. But if you guys seen like yesterday, I was talking about Amazon about this little channel right here, and I was gonna play it probably off like the bound off like this break of this line right here because I was just watching it and like this channel was bound to break as well. You know what I'm saying? And like to me, it was just a perfect setup. And last night I had it as my daily setup right here, and you know what I'm saying? It ripped crazy. I mean, um, if I was up on time, this play would have been really good on it. But you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's basically what happened. So yeah, so I kept scalping a little bit, like two or three contracts. I played AMD just one contract just to test the waters because it was just ripping odds crazy, and this contract actually went to like two something to like almost $3, which is crazy. AMD has been gassing ever since it broke 100 or 95 off the hod. It's just been gassing crazy. I played some Tesla calls. I scalped this like two or three times. I was waiting to see if it was gonna break like this like ascending wedge right here. You know what I'm saying? I played this break right here and made a good. Let me see. I made $40, and then on the other one I lost $12. So like ended up $26 up right there. But I was just trying to scalp it, but it was just being really choppy on this little wedge to the upside right here. And then in the end, it just failed the wedge and it started dumping. But yeah, Tesla was really choppy. I don't know if we're gonna get another move on it, but as long as it held the 706 level right here, as long as we hold above this, I'm still bullish on Tesla. If it falls under 700 and into like this red zone, I think the show is over. But for now, I'm still looking towards more bullishness in Tesla. I bought a snap play for September 17th. I think it's like the 85 calls because there was almost like $4 million into snap for like these let me see. It was the 75 calls. Like there was like so much money being poured in there, and I didn't want to risk $400, so I just threw $140 to this play right here for the 85s. Cause if a move is gonna happen, it's gonna touch my strike as well. Cause it's still pretty close, and there's a good amount of time on it, almost a month and a half. So let's see the delta on the one that I have versus the one that they bought. So that delta is almost double. Yeah, yeah, a little bit more than double of mine. But either way, if there's a move, I'm gonna get half of the move that the 75 is gonna get. You know what I'm saying? Due to like like the delta being almost half, and you know what I'm saying? It's fine. if a move happens, it happens. There's a event with Zoom, Snap. I think PLTR is gonna be there as well, and I assume it's gonna be bullish due to like all this coal buying that's been happening. I also have like this little flag that's been forming little by little, and this blue line right here is where there was a lot of dark pool activity here the other day. I'm guessing coal buying because every single time we bounce off that level, like this day right here, this day right here. You know what I'm saying? And there was a lot of coal buying here as well. I expect Snap to, well, not that I expect because I don't know what's gonna happen, but I still think Snap still has like a way bigger run to go right here. Um, it's literally only five. It's literally only like $7 off hard. I'm sure we could break that soon. And my final trade was, oh wait, and I also had this pins play. I don't know if you guys seen it yesterday that I was down on it for a little bit, and then pins just had a crazy move today. It has a super big gap to fill right here. All the way to 61 right here, and it was up almost 5%. Yeah, 5% at hot, bro. Like these contracts ripped. I think they went from. Let me see. Um, they were sitting at like 30 cents, and the hot was 68 cents. So I finally turned green on those contracts after like 2 or 3 days, and yeah, I was happy about that. I was gonna pick up a couple more, but you know, pins like this was a really big move, and I'm waiting to see if it lets go of the gas for a little bit, and we'll see about that tomorrow. The final trade was GME. I bought two GMEs at 420, sold one at 450, and I sold another one at 460. There was a huge pop towards the end of the day. I know like it sounds like they were really expensive, and they were. I kind of bought like right here off this break right here, off that break right there. And the problem was like I kept trying to get filled like all the way down here because I saw the pop off the fill level right here, and there was a lot of people calling it out. So I tried to get filled, and I wasn't able to get filled. I kept watching it rip up, rip up, rip up, rip up, and I wasn't able to get filled. Now I spent like $800 on that place, so 800 if I would have got filled in like good, I probably could have got those contracts at like $2 a piece, bro, because I was in really early, and that would have been like a really good trade, but I wasn't able to get filled. Like it just kept ripping. And yeah, that's basically what happened. I still got a really good profit right there, $70. And with like all these little trades throughout the day, I ended up the day 160 up 164, which I was pretty surprised. But you know, like these small winners like usually add up for me, especially like if I'm scalping stuff, because especially like since I woke up kind of late, you know the market was like kind of dead. Like the only thing you could really do is scalp. The only thing that was really busting today was Myrna, and bro, this shit is insane. I was gonna play it off this break right here, but I was scared that it was too overextended. It opened up the day at 249, and at that point it was up $16, and it ran up all the way to 387, which is crazy. I was looking at these. Hold on, let me show you guys. I was looking at these. What the, bro? I was looking at these 400s. What the fuck? Oh shoot. I don't know if I could curse on YouTube, but yo, I was looking at these when they were off this break right here, 152. Bro, they were at three apiece, and they ended up the day almost. Hard was 11, but they basically ended up the day up $10 a piece. That's crazy. That was a crazy move on Murner, bro. But besides that, that was my day. I wanna see if I could put up a watch list tonight or maybe tomorrow. I don't know, but I just wanna like, cause like every single day I get my daily settles for like the next day. Like I load these up like the night before, and and I look for like really nice setups for tomorrow morning, and whichever one looks the best in the morning, I'll play. I mean, the obvious winner here was, I mean, Snow was a really good move as well. Snow was a really good move. I was gonna play it off this break of 269.50. It gapped up over that, and it just kept ripping right here. Hit my first target and it kept ripping. That was a really good trade right there. Um, Affirm. I didn't have this on my daily watch list, but oh wait, I don't know if I did or I didn't, but I just wasn't looking at it for the whole day, and I was thinking of buying some out the money calls. I mean, I was talking to you guys about Affirm yesterday, bruh. About how it broke out of my little flag right here. I was telling you guys about it, and you know what I'm saying, like it had a crazy rip. Like once it broke this right here, sorry, bro, let me close this. Once it broke, once it broke out right here, I knew a crazy ass move was gonna happen for sure. Something was gonna happen, obviously, and it just straight up ripped crazy. Now, moving on with Affirm, I'm still looking at it, and I'm still really really bullish on it. I think we could reach all time highs again. You know what I'm saying? And that's just due to the fact like that buy now pay later culture is crazy, and these bigger companies are keening their eye towards them, and especially like down here, like at these levels, like even now, like I feel like it's still undervalued right now. Like this company should be worth like just as much as maybe like 120 to $130 valuation. And Square bought up Afterpay, which is a really similar company to Affirm. I guess they do the same thing. They have the buy now pay later services. So they got bought out. I don't know if it was for $80 a share or something to that extent right there. I don't really know because Afterpay wasn't traded on U.S. markets. It was traded in Australia, and there are some people that traded it and had it in their portfolio, but it wasn't in the U.S. stock market, so we weren't able to see it. But a firm at a right valuation, if Apple wanted to buy it, I could see them being bought at like $100. So then anything like if you want to buy call options, anything under $100 should fit the bill. Because if you buy like $120 call for like next month or something like that to that extent, those contracts are just gonna expire worthless. Like let's say these like these like all of these are literally worthless, literally, unless it gets bought at 200. Then you caught the crazy ups. But besides that, I see like $100 to $130 price target on a firm. Now it's not good to time this thing at all. So that's why I say to like go like with like a little bit more time out time like with like more time on your contracts. But besides that, yeah, bro. But these Affirm contracts are trading for pennies the other day, bro. Literally. Let me show you guys. When they got when they got cruised by, I think it was Apple that cruised them. Let me see. Nah, it was. I mean, the contract value didn't really fall like after like that insane fall after Apple cut them off, and like now they are renewing their partnership. But as you can see, these contracts are still really cheap. You know what I'm saying? Look at all this rippage right here, and like the other day, these contracts were on the like almost a month ago. These contracts were like at $2, so it like basically doubled over the month, and you still got like 2 more weeks left on these contracts. I don't know. You could find like some good contracts on here, some cheap contracts, and you could go crazy. Now that's for another video or for another session. But for now, I'm done for today. I hope you guys had a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.